Hi to everyone. In this section, we are going to discussing about an introduction to bacterial diseases in fin fishes. There are so many factors that causing diseases in aquatic organisms, mainly the bad water quality. The bad water quality causing a lot of disease and environmental stress and the pathogen excess. So, the bad water quality causing the disease in aquatic organism. The water quality is the one of the important parameter in aquaculture. And low genetic immunity of the host or low genetic immunity of the fish that also causing disease in fishes. Then physical damage, lesions of the body, the physical damage of the surface. This is also causing disease in fishes. Then pathogen excess. Already said about the bad water quality is proliferate the pathogen and it will be increase the number of pathogen in the aquatic organism. So it also causing disease in fin fishes. And there are mainly three factors that going to form cause the disease. The host, condition of the host, and the condition of the environment, and the number of pathogen or excess of pathogen. These three are interrelated and going to form disease in aquatic organisms. The bad condition of the host or low immunity of the host, bad condition of the environment, excess number of the pathogen. These three factors are going to form disease in aquatic organisms. That interrelation of these three particular characters we are expressed in the form of an equation. It is H plus P plus S square is equal to D. Here H represents the species or the host or the fish, and the P represent the pathogen causing the disease, and the S represent the environmental stress. And here we are used S square because stress will be increased due to some environmental factors. So in this equation we are used S square for environmental stress, and finally we will get the result D, that is disease. In these three parameters going to form the disease in aquatic organisms. And we all know about the bacteria. Bacteria are among the smallest living organism and varies 0.5 to 10 micrometers. And they are usually band together in colonies, and they are autotrophic and heterotrophic in nature. They prepare their own food and they feed other organisms. Then bacteria are single-celled microorganisms with prokaryotic cell. They do not have organelles or a true nucleus, less complex than eukaryotic cells. Then some bacteria that are causing disease in human, then animals and plants. The animals including fishes. Some bacteria causing disease in fishes, and there are so many shapes of bacteria: coccus bacteria, bacillus bacteria, then vibrio, that is curved bacteria, square shaped bacteria, spirillum bacteria, then star shaped bacteria. There are different shapes of bacteria. This image indicating the shapes of bacteria. This is coccus shape, it is round in shape, and this is bacillus shape, and it is budding bacteria, the bacteria having hyphae or stalk, and enlarged rod bacteria, then curved vibrio bacteria, spirillus bacteria, and different shapes of bacteria present in aquatic environment. And Most of the important bacterial diseases present in aquaculture are vibriosis, aeromonasis, then Edwardsiellosis, then pseudomonasis, and flavobacteriosis. These are the major gram-negative bacterial diseases present in aquatic organisms or aquatic environment. Then mycobacteriosis, streptococcus, renibacteriosis, then infection with anaerobic bacteria. These are the gram-positive bacterial diseases present in aquaculture. Then the final slide of this presentation is the common symptoms of bacterial disease. The major common symptoms of bacterial disease are lethargic swimming or erratic swimming, the fishes showing a irregular movement or irregular swimming patterns, and anorexia, loss of appetite. The fish do not take feed if they affected disease. Then respiratory distress or respiratory problems that also causing the suffocation in fishes and also cause the exophthalmia. Exophthalmia means the bulging of eyes. And that fishes jumping out from the water body, it is also sign of a bacterial disease. And necrosis, death of the tissue or damage of the tissue, it is one of the symptoms of bacterial disease. Then color change of the gill, it is a color change in a pale coloration, and excess production of mucus in the gill and operculum area is one of the sign of disease. And hemorrhage, that is bleeding in internal and external organs. Then fins become frayed, that is lesion, damage in fin, damage in the body surface. These all are the common symptoms of bacterial diseases in fin fishes. Okay, thank you.